sport of dog agility. Zip is a multiple champion. She competed in AKC, USDAA, and NADAC. 1 year ago at the International Cynosport World Games, Zip's team placed 13th in the Dog Agility Masters Team Championships. She has qualified many times for national events. She also loved to herd sheep, and she is titled in competition herding. Her travels for competitions and family vacations have taken her all over the country. But on January 8, 2011, everything suddenly changed. Zip was fetching sticks with a group of children when she became the victim of a hit-and-run, reckless speeder. Her very active lifestyle came to an abrupt halt when she suffered a dislocated spine and multiple pelvic and rib fractures. We are grateful to still have her with us. Although the accident challenged her physically, she remains the same wonderful girl in heart and spirit. She is still the boss, still loves her mama, and she still loves agility. This is Zip.